Breaking news, no more EB-1 green card approvals until October 1st, 2025. This is massive. Any of you applying for self-petition, this video is for you. Why it's happening, when our green cards are going to come back, all in this video. Hello everybody and welcome back to our immigration channel. In this video, we'll discuss what's happening with the EB-1 green card category. This is almost the end of the fiscal year, and the State Department just announced today no more EB-1 green cards until the beginning of the fiscal year in October. What does it mean for you, the self-petitioner who has worked so hard to file for your EB-1? When are you going to get your green card? And what's going to happen if your interview is scheduled in the next few weeks? All this information in this video. How do we navigate the unavailability of visas in EB-1, EB-2, and even EB-3 categories? I'm going to break it down for you all in this video. So make sure you watch this all the way until the end so you don't miss all the information of what to do, how to plan, and how to protect your self-petition from not getting the green card at the end of the day. I'm going to try to give you as much information as possible because this announcement was just released today, September 8th, and the video is being released a couple of days after, but this information is super, super valuable. So let's jump into this announcement. So the State Department just announced on their website that no more EB-1 visas will be issued until the remainder of the fiscal year, which is the end of September, and new count will start in October 1st, 2025. It seems that the annual cap for this category has been reached. This is something that we haven't seen in the past several years, but it happened this year. So what does it mean? It means that during this time, U.S. embassies, consulates, and even USCIS cannot approve these self-petition green cards until new numbers are going to be available. So if you're inside the United States and you're filing for adjustment of status, your application is not going to be approved. However, USCIS said that they'll continue to accept those cases. As long as they're current under the September visa bulletin, they'll still accept those, but they're not going to be able to approve them because they don't have no visas to give you. Guys, if your EB-1 case is current, please file now. You're watching this video in early September, please file now. You'll be able to work. You'll be able to travel. Your adjustment of status will open. Even if your green card cannot be approved until October, you can still file for adjustment of status, and you should. So let's summarize it. What does it mean for you, the self-petition applicant? Now, before I tell you what it means for you as somebody who's listening to this and freaking out, let's talk about the fact that you're watching my videos and you're not a subscriber. Subscribe to my channel right now. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to show these videos to more people just like you. As always, if you need help with your immigration matters, if you are concerned about the EB-1, if you need guidance with self-petitions, if you need help with the EB-2 application, this is the number you're going to call, 619-483-4549. Use a text or go to www.immigrationsap.com. Leave your details and one of our team members will contact you ASAP. And now let's go back into the video. So what does it mean for you? It means, number one, you can and you should still file EB-1 cases because if your dates are current and this is September, they will take it. They won't approve it, but you'll be able to get a work permit, travel document, and your adjustment will start. Number two, they won't be able to approve your case until October 1st or forward, assuming that EB-1 will be current again. Number three, the annual visas will reset on October 1st, 2025. And at that point, EB-1 approvals will resume. Number four, why should you file now? Well, first of all, you'll be first in line. Number two, you'll be able to work and travel, and you'll start your adjustment of status now, not in October. So why is this happening? Around this time, they run out of visas because there's too much demand and less supply. Remember, they have a limit on these employment-based visas, and once the demand is more than the amount of visas they can actually issue, they just won't issue them, and people will have to wait. And the reality of this is pending EB-1 cases will remain on hold until the reset in October. Now, what if you have an interview? What if your interview is scheduled tomorrow? You should still attend because the officers will finish processing your case. They'll make a decision, but they're going to say, hey, you won't get your green card until State Department resume processing. And that's it. You don't have to wait for a second interview. So never, never not show up for your interview because your case will be denied. New EB-1 numbers will become available on October 1st, 2025. And once again, cases will be adjudicated and processed again. Now, remember, guys, that there are some categories that are likely to stay current for many, many years. And EB-1 was that category. But now we have people from India, from China, and many other countries that need self petitions. And EB-1 was one of those avenues that they did, and they filed a lot. And UCIS says, wait, this is a year where we have so many EB-1s that we don't have any more visas to issue. And I was suspecting that's going to happen this year. And I predicted it in one of our visa bulletin videos, which I said to you. But again, there's not much you can do even if you know about it. All you can do is try to file your case as soon as you can, which means that even if the State Department says there's no visas available right now, you can still file because EB-1 is current for September, right? They're just not able to issue visas, which is what that announcement means. But the September visa bulletin is still current. You can still file, but cases will not be adjudicated. Once again, guys, if you need help with your immigration matter, send me a text 619-483-4549 or go to www.immigrationasap.com. Leave your details, and one of our team members will contact you ASAP. Remember, guys, we are now in a critical time where so many people are filing cases in all visa categories. And all you can do as the applicant is do your best to finish your case as soon as you can and then file it if it's available. And right now, this category is still available, but they're not approving those cases. So it doesn't mean you should stop because people are texting me this morning and say, oh, I shouldn't be filing. No, you should and can file for now. And we'll see what happens in October. I believe things will recalibrate and the EB-1 category will continue to remain current throughout next year as well. Once again, I hope this information was helpful. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys on our next video.